Good morning, dear student. I, Aditya Bhatt, Assistant Professor in Sage University, Bhopal. I am taking here engineering drawing subject. And our today topic is projection of point 2. So in previous slide, we learned what is the location of point in all coordinate. So we have total 9 position. Now, these are the position of all point. These are the location of all point. Now, I'm starting with the position number 1, point above the HP and in front of the BP. So in this condition, we know our point situated above the HP and in front of the BP lies in the first angle. So now I'm taking the problem, draw the front view and the top view of a point A lying 70 mm above the HP and 50 mm in front of the BP. So I'm taking the question in this question about point P, which is 70 mm above HP. So now in this problem, this is the location of point which is shown 70 mm above the HP and 50 mm in front of the BP. So you know, whenever a point above HP, front view always draw on the vertical plane and always above 70 mm x by. When we discuss about in front, so the meaning of in front is always draw below x by. So the distance is 50 mm. So 50 mm we will draw below x by. So now this is the diagram. Front view draw 70 mm above x by and top view draw 50 mm below x by. So other word I'm saying here, draw horizontal line x by to represent the reference line. Draw a vertical projector from any point on the x by. Mark A dash on the projector 70 mm above the x by to represent the front view. Mark on the projector 50 mm below the x by line, represent the top view. And previous class we have already discussed that front view and top view always draw on the same vertical line. Now I'm taking second method. Second method is point above the HP and behind the BP. So now in this situation, our point situated in second coordinate. And now I'm taking the problem. Point B is 70 mm above HP and 50 mm behind the BP. So you know in this question B, which is 50 mm behind the BP and 70 mm above the HP. So as per the concept, we know 70 mm above means it always draw above x by line and always draw front view. So draw horizontal line xy to represent the reference line. Draw a vertical projector from any point on the xy. Mark B dash on the projector 70 mm above the xy to represent the front view. Same, the mark B on the projector 50 mm above the xy to represent the top view. Why we are draw top view above xy line? Because the condition is behind the BP. The behind the BP is always draw above xy. So that's why I'm drawing top view above the xy line. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, in this question, you can ask me and we will learn. We will meet in next class. Thank you very much.